I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Finance. This gives you synced watch lists and portfolio features. Next, locate the watch list icon and create one named for your goal. Type ticker symbols or company names into the search bar and press enter to add each stock. Once done, rearrange or color code entries to prioritize. Make sure to add 5-10 core names first, so your dashboard loads meaningful data immediately and remains manageable. Now build a portfolio. Click Create Portfolio, name it, and enter shares plus purchase price for accurate P&L tracking. This lets you see unrealized gains and percent change. Then set alerts, price thresholds, percentage moves, and news so you get notified without constant checking. Customize visible columns such as last price, daily change, market cap, and P/E to surface what matters to you. Make sure to save layout preferences so your view stays consistent across devices and sessions. Finally, analyze each holding. Open the chart, change time frame, compare to indices, and add moving averages or indicators to spot trends and risk. Export your portfolio as a CSV or take screenshots for records and tax prep. When finished, review news and related filings linked on the company page. If something stops syncing or prices lag, sign out, clear browser cache, and reauthorize Google Finance access. This resolves most issues quickly and gets your live data flowing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.